so let's get it started. This is my YouTube video where you'll be seeing me playing Minecraft. One world. There, I'll leave you to copy that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Someone explain why these things take so long. Oh. Here we are. Ooh, it's a nice ice biome with squids floating in ice. What? Squids, you're on ice. What? Oh my gosh. That doesn't make any sense. So, first of all, I'd like to give my thanks to Overwhelm's texture pack, seeing as that's what I'm using. I'd also like to thank SMP's texture pack, which I will be using a lot. I think I'm getting lag. I have no idea. So, post in the comments what you people, I think I need to remember what you people think I should do. Like, do I even have monsters on? No. What I should do? Should I build a castle? Should I build like little shacks everywhere? Should I build a town and then make a multiplayer server or something? Cause I want to be an op on a multiplayer server, and unfortunately, I am having millions and millions of problems trying to find a server that'll let me be an op, and it's gonna be a torture, isn't it? No, just the right height. There has been updates with wolves and all that. But I'm not gonna go looking for wolves because they kind of get on my nerves, and they really don't help me when I'm trying to play. Fraps, making me lag badly. Fraps will be good now. Chicken, you always scare me. So, seeing as this is my first video, I want you people to tell me whether I've been doing good or bad. And I'm mainly going to be doing things for people, for the subscribers. I don't care about anyone else, although sometimes I will care about me. If you guys ask me to do something really dumb that I would definitely not do, then I'm not going to do it. So, be sensible with what you ask, seeing as I might not do it. Let's make our house right here, in a nice unsnowy biome, because I really don't like snow biomes. I need to get some dirt. 3, I think it is. That might be uneven, but now I can make this even. Really, Minecraft. So, I'll make some wooden tools. But I want you people to also recommend what texture packs I should use. I can do HD texture mixes, because I'm using Overwhelm's texture pack. That's a HD texture mix. So, I can do that. Oh, sugar plums. I don't like that place. Dark and deadly, and maybe full of lava and death and horror. But I have to ask you people if there are mods you want me to do. You will need to tell me how to download them, because I am horrible at mods. I don't know how to download them. I'm pretty sure I can't even get the fraps. I can't even get the too many items mod working. Items, yeah, not working. So that's there's a problem. How do I get out of making this again? Alright, I need to make some tools. Yay, pickaxe. So I guess we should up. Oh, just enough cobble. When Terraria comes out, I will hopefully have enough to buy it. And also, I will be accepting donations if one of you can tell me how I can make them. Cow, get out of my face. So let's go dig for more stone, because dirt and wood is not how we're gonna do it in my house. No, sir. And apparently I'm over a dungeon. I think that's what that noise means. I don't know. Ah, Minecraft. So I could do a WTF series, however, I will need donations because some of the games are really expensive and I really don't want to continuously use loads of money for like one video. If it's going to cost quite a little bit of money, but it's going to be an entire series, maybe I can suppose. But for now, no. Oh, I have 21 cobble. That should be quite enough. Yes, I am very petite. I don't like building with wood, because as many people know, you can burn your house down. No one wants to have their house burnt down. No one. Especially not me. Oh, we need to cover that area. Hush up. Hush up. So I said dirt is not how we do it in my house, so what better to use dirt for than to just do that? What on earth? Ah, the zombie under me. So I might use the monster thing, as you can see I have been using it. Oh, that is weird. So a few people think that I am very bad at Minecraft and you want me to stop, please comment. And or if you really think that's all bad and you hate me, don't watch the videos then. Probably the best idea. Gobble gobble. So we'll be back when we're finished.